Hello guys, welcome back to our Nodejs series. In our previous videos, we already discussed the working of V8, libuv, call stack and event loop. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete architecture of Node.js from start to end. Now, imagine you are on a shopping website like Amazon or Flipkart. You saw a pair of headphones which are so good and you click add to cart to buy later. The moment you click the button add to cart, your phone sends a small request to the server. The server is a computer that runs the website. The moment your click reaches the server, V8 starts running that code. While it is running, this code sits in something called the call stack. Think of the call stack as V8's hands. It can hold only one piece of work at a time that is currently executing now. To actually add the headphones to your cart, the server needs to write that down somewhere permanent. That place is called database. This is like a big record book the server keeps. Writing to this record book takes a bit of time since it is an asynchronous operation. It is not instant, like adding two numbers. It involves reaching the specific database, writing, and waiting for confirmation. If we had just sat there holding this task and waiting for the database to reply, its hands would be stuck. And while it is stuck, it can't help anyone else in the website either. So instead, Wait hands this task to libuv. Libuv is built exactly for this. It handles the specific operations like storing the headphones in the add to cart list in the database. The moment Wait hands it off, its hands are free again immediately. Here is the important part now. While libuv is quietly working on your cart update in the background, Wait isn't just waiting around either. It goes and picks up someone else's request, maybe another visitor searching for shoes. This is exactly why one Node.js server can serve thousands of people at once. So now remember, we are adding the headphones into the database. So after successfully storing, it has to send some response like got successfully update back, right? So the V8 has to handle this response again. But call stack might be busy with some else task at the exact moment. So who will check call stack and the background operation? Both are finished. This is where the event loop comes in. Its entire job is to keep checking over and over. Has libuv finished anything? Is V8 free right now? The moment both are true, it has the finished result over to V8. Now V8 takes this result, finishes the small remaining work like putting together a reply that says add it successfully and sends it back to your phone. So in your screen, you can see add it successfully. All of that happens in a fraction of a second. Let's quickly recap what happened. The moment you click add to cart, the request reaches the Node.js server. Then V8 starts executing the JavaScript and that execution happens on the call stack. And if the application need to perform an asynchronous operation, it will be handled by libuv. During this time, the call stack will become free to handle other JavaScript work instead of waiting. Once the JavaScript asynchronous operation finishes, the result becomes ready. The event loop coordinates the completed work and brings it back to the JavaScript side when the call stack was available. V8 then executes the callback and finishes the remaining JavaScript work. Finally, the response was sent back. In our next following videos, we will discuss the global objects in Node.js. So make sure you don't miss that one. Thank you for watching.